Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're just going to talk about Blue Majik just for a quick minute. I just want you guys to learn about this incredible superfood. So Blue Majik is a blue algae. It's very similar to spirulina if you've ever heard of that. But this one in particular is fabulous for inflammation in your joints. So it specifically targets inflammatory responses in your joints. So for those of you that are athletes or have any type of autoimmune condition that causes inflammation in your joints, this is going to be an incredible superfood for you to incorporate into your daily life. If you've ever been to Plant, you'll see that we use it quite a bit in our smoothies, on our energy bites, things like that. You can honestly even just mix it up in some water and take it that way if you prefer. So not only is it good for inflammation in your joints, but it also has calcium, iron, B2, and B12. It actually has over 100% of your daily need of B12, which is pretty incredible for a plant-based source. Not only is it good for you, but it's also a really fun color. So I love that it just makes the color of your smoothies really bright and potent. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it truly is this bright, pretty blue. So if you have kids at home, they're probably going to love drinking their blue smoothies or eating their blue energy bites. No matter how you incorporate it into your diet, just know that's going to be a great option for inflammation. If you have any other requests, or if there's any other superfoods you'd like to learn more about, comment below, subscribe, let us know what we can do, and we'll see you soon.